All day I faced a barren waste without the taste of water, cool water. Old Ann and I, with throats burnt dry and souls that cry for water, cool, clear water. The nights are cool and I'm a fool. Each star's a pool of water, cool water. But with the dawn I'll wake and yawn and carry on to water, cool, clear water. Keep a moving, Dan, don't you listen to him, Dan. He's a devil, not a man. He spreads a burning sand with water. Dan, can you see that big green tree where the water's running free and it's waiting there for you and me? Cool, clear water. Dan's feet are sore, he's yearning for just one thing more than water, cool water. Like me, I guess he'd like to rest where there's no quest for water, water. Keep a moving, Dan, don't you listen to him, Dan. He's a devil, not a man, and he spreads a burning sand with water. Dan, can you see that big green tree where the water's running free and it's waiting there for you and me? Cool, clear water, cool, clear water. I was hanging around town, just spending my time, out of a job, not earning a dime. A feller steps up and he said, I suppose you're a bronc fighter from the looks of your clothes. He figures me right, I'm a good one, I claim. Do you happen to have any bad ones to tame? Said he's got one, a bad one to buck. For throwing good riders, he's had lots of luck. I gets all hit up and I ask what he pays to ride this old nag for a couple of days. He offered me 10 and I said, I'm your man. A bronc never lived that I couldn't fend. He said, get your saddle, I'll give you a chance. In his buckboard we hops and he drives to the ranch. I stayed until morning and right after Chuck I stepped out to see if this outlaw can buck. Down in the horse corral, standing alone, is an old caballo, a strawberry roan. His legs are all spattered, he's got pigeon toes, little pig eyes and a big Roman nose. pin ears that touch at the tip. A big 44 brand was on his left hip. U-neck and O-whip along the lower jaw. I could see with one eye he's a regular outlaw. I gets the blinds on him and it sure is a fright. Next comes a saddle and I screws it down tight. Then I steps on him and I raises the blind. Get out of the way, boys, he's gonna unwind. He's sure a frog walker, he heaves a big sigh. He only lacks wings for to be on the fly. Turns his old belly right up to the sun. He sure is a sun-fishing son of a gun.